Aloha, Henmoose. Welcome to Mongoose Mac's Corner. This is Mongoose Mac's channel, and today, Crypto Corner. I forget I'm having a new little camera setup, learning all I can. And today we're going to learn a little bit deeper dive into some cryptocurrency and Oduwa Coin, which I feature because I got some Oduwa Coin and I want to know all about it. And also, knowing about it, you're going to see why it's very promising. It's got a solid future. It's built and being built. So I recommend right off the bat, go buy yourself some Oduwa Coin and put it in a mining wallet. So for now, here's my channel, here's my screen, and welcome to Crypto Corner. So here's my channel. I got a bunch of different stuff on here. So this here is all my little videos on my channel. So please like and subscribe. Well, subscribe to the channel. Even if you're not going to watch it, it really helps me out, and I need a little boost with the channel here. It doesn't cost you anything. You can put like on the videos and watch them. There's like most of it right now is making fun of newspaper stuff in Hawaii. So almost every day, the whole pandemic, newspaper stuff and some other stuff. So I try to be fun with it and cynical and all kind of things. So they're very goofy like that. And I do Crypto Corner and some other things. So now let's get to it. Oduwa Coin. Yes, it is coming onto the market. Just do Oduwa. You know, this is the thing to do. So I want to give you a little bit of channel. So the first thing that's going down here is, if you haven't noticed, you really should listen, talk to some people, or turn on the computer. Bitcoin is up and away, right? And actually, it's been doing that for a while. So first off, I'm going to go over to Oduwa Coin's home channel, because we just want to start off with some more Oduwa Coin, thinking about what this is. So, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. What you do with your money is your choice. So if you play the crypto market, buy and sell, trading, if you lose, you lose. If you gain, you gain. That's nothing to do with me. What I know, I'm trying to tell you what I figured out, some of this stuff, and trying to keep it kind of simple. I'm trying to show you some stuff so it's not too elemental. But cryptocurrency is one thing. Trading is one thing. But what the coin's project is another. Bitcoin started off big as a digital payment. Buy and sell. Buy a cup of coffee with a little bit of Bitcoin. You can't do that now. Bitcoin is like a gold brick. And Oduwa Coin is designed, especially around its purpose, to serve underserved communities, especially it's going to start in a huge portion of Africa, and then everywhere, underserved, underbanked, non-banked, and it's available to use by anyone, everyday. So it has a purpose of being a digital cash. So what a Bitcoin started off to do and can't do now, Oduwa Coin will be able to do and will do. So that's why it's going to get neat. But what about the current stuff, right? What about nowadays? Let's first look at, where is it? Oh boy, okay, we can get this. There we go. First off, let's look at CoinMarketCap, because it's an indicator that just shows everything about all these different currencies. And if we look at Bitcoin, there it is at 27,121. So it goes up and it goes down. And let's just look at its graph. And its graph is up 1.5%, 1.3%. You see, this is going up. So here's its graph. It's the whole over graph. And if you look here, geez, if I click on one of these things, I'm gone, right? 3 months. I go in, I go out. 3 months. So here's 3 months right here. Notice December, it's really rising. Notice November, kind of like in that flap, except for that dip. And October, it's kind of coming up. But let's look at a little bit longer view of 1 year. Look at this kind of gradual rise. It's gotten all the stability with all those partners and people being attached to it, Binance and getting it attached to the stock market, on banks and stuff, on partnerships. That's where the dual coins, right? That's where it's going next. Partnership. It's already starting the partnership. So it's just going up, but this Bitcoin's already kind of, it's going up slowly, but it's still just gradually going up. So it's like in a slow motion bull run. It's like just doing that thing. If I'm using that word incorrectly, forgive me. But in the 1 month, oh, you know what? I'll show you this because I checked it out on Blockchain Wallet, right? So right now, I'm going to go to my Blockchain Wallet. I'll show you that that I was looking at today. So here's off the blockchain. Okay, here we are on the Blockfolio app right here. And it is an exchange, but it goes on the mobile phone, and it shows the current market price. And as we know, Bitcoin had a big thing going on. It's been having a big thing going on. It's currently at 26,977. Just a minute ago, it was 27,221. So it's still got volatility. You know, it says plus 16. 27, and now it reads that. Anyways, the general, this is a 3 month. Notice down here, 1 month, 3 month is selected. So 3 months, and if you notice, this is just a kind of a constant going up, especially beginning of December. It starts to get up there. And look at November and October's a kind of a climb. November's almost a little bit like that, you know, a little bit like, all right, you know. I don't think 1 month has data. Check it out. Oh, there it is. So if we look here, end of November, you got like that. I'm going by calendar dates and what's going on. But candles, I'm sorry. Well, that could be helpful if you're into the candles things. It goes up and down, downs, these little downs, but then it goes up solid December 13th. It's like right before that Christmas time. And then around this other way. Right around that peak right here, 28,000. That's yesterday, December 26th. Let's take these candles out. So if you're looking at, you can get there. Oh. No. Peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Exactly what Oduwa is too. Okay. Here we go. I can't get my big finger over there. I know what we'll do. 3-day. Go for a close-up. So here we go. We get this 27, 28, on December 26th, day after Christmas. So it could very well be people buying somebody else Bitcoin. There you go. Merry Christmas. But whatever it is, when it buys, the price tends to go up when there's, supply and demand. There's more demand when more people are buying, so the price goes up. And so we have a Christmas thing of that. Now right after Christmas, it starts to dip. Today is the 27th, so now it's down. But notice the very low on this graph. Okay. Very low on this graph here is like 24, 20, it's like 20,000, 23,000, 24,000. Now, why am I so concerned about Bitcoin? Why am I making a comparison? Because Oduwa Coin is built the same way, except it's a little bit better because it's faster. Oh. So we go with Oduwa. There we go. Currently it's at 32 cents. One day. Look at this one day thing. Never put in the candles. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. Looks like it's getting a dip, just like Bitcoin did, didn't it? It seems to follow, even though it's on its own native blockchain. It does have that follow the curve. See, it goes up and there's a little dip. 26 up, 27 down. Because people buy and sell other altcoins other than Bitcoin. They buy and sell using Bitcoin. But notice this it's 1 month. 1 month. Wait, let's go 3 month. Because I looked at that little comparison. Let's take these out because they're a little mind-boggling. Okay, October we had highs. What were they? 90 cents? 76 cents here at the beginning of October. Then it goes down. I don't know what was going on. People, because it's still early, right? People see a little bit of a price and they sell them all and make yourself a profit. So this is probably from, people dumping, selling. It goes down to 13 cents. That would have been the time to buy in, stock your mining wallet. And then for a while there, it's all pretty small. It's been a while. And then there's been that meetings. They're having the meetings every Sunday at 2 p.m. Pacific Central. Or 4 p.m. Pacific Central. Got to find the exact dates. But notice this, it's getting to be, 3 day. The curve looks a lot like Bitcoin now because it's buying and selling, and it's buying and selling like the rates that Bitcoin is. And when it does that, the curves will follow. It's not really connected as opposed to organically people buy and selling that and buy and selling that also, then the behavior of the price will just be similar. Okay, that's it for that. Okay, so you see, like on the blockchain, Bitcoin's going up, and the Oduwa is kind of behaving a little bit like that, like in the month of December. Because if we go back here to where is it? CoinMarket? No. Here we go. We go back to this CoinMarket thing, go up to the top and click in the ticker OWC, and then you have Oduwa, right? And then what you got is 31 cents. Well, it's up from 12 cents. What's going on? Let's do back to the 3 month because we'll be a little more consistent. Always doing 3 month. And here's the 3 month thing. And if we look here, notice that it went down and there's this large amount. This is like the volume, the amount of people trading. So in that there's a lot of people trading, a lot of people trading here and here and here. And in those places it kind of dipped. And overall, this is 3 months, October, November, and December. So it's gone down. It's going down. What's going on? So when it goes down, it's being sold, and it's on the trading market area. When it's sold, people are trying to sell it, and then they're trying to sell it, and then someone has a lower price, and they keep going to the lower price, and the prices keep going down. Supply and demand stuff. So people want to sell it. So the first, when it had this 90-cent thing in September, Oduwa, you're like, wow, this is the highest it's ever been. So people started to sell it to gain a little cash out of it. Yeah, okay. So, you're your own bank. And then the price went down. Then it went way down. And people kept doing that. And it went down to like 12 cents at one point. I'm like, oh my gosh, 12 cents. But then it's like going back up. Now, if you look here, it's, okay, let's get a price thing on this. 70 cents. So it goes 70 cents. It goes, a lot of trading, and it goes down. And then now it's like 26 cents in November. Then it has a dip, and it's like 26 cents. Now here's that 18 cents thing. So it's going back to what people were doing. They just keep selling it. It's like it's down at a certain point, then it levels off, and it's about 10 cents, and no one wants to do nothing with, like, I don't know, I'll just hold on to it. It's 10 cents. It'll go back up. And this is what's going to happen. So this is what's happening here. It's going back up a little bit. And if you look at the 1 month on CoinMarketCap, it's loading. Towards the end here, well, let's look at 7-day, because that gets a little confusing. 7 days, so for 1 whole week. Look at this portion right here. This at 35-cent level, right? 35 cents. This is, it's reflecting what Bitcoin's doing. It's going up, and there's that little dip at the end. So now, what people are doing with Bitcoin, because they buy and sell Bitcoin. Here, I'll show you. Now say, oh, I am hearing about Oduwa Coin, and I want to get some. Well, here's a dualpay. We'll go to that in a second. A dual marketplace. Oh yeah, that too. Well, a dual coin. Okay, a dualcoin.io. Notice, buy Oduwa Coin. So there's something really good about here. I want you to keep note is right here. Get yourself a mining wallet, whatever one you want. Get one of them, or get one of them mining wallets, and put your dual coin in it. And here's like a little info. And don't forget, down at the bottom, there's affiliates, partners rather, partners. There's trades and all that. And there's ways to go for information down here. But let's go back up here. Buy a dual coin. I'm just going to press that. And where do I go? You can buy using exchange crypto credit card. Okay, wait a minute. This wasn't the same one. I'm going to go this way. Wait, hold on. This is a marketplace. Oh, here. Is it this one? A dualpay. This is a dualpay where you can get yourself a wallet. This is the coin wallet. Now don't forget, there's a whole reason, and this is a big explanatory again, especially in Africa, and the high transaction cost with all coins, except a dual coin. The dual coin is not going to have that. Say hello to a dualpay. Well, I want to point this one out. See reduced action costs, transaction costs. Fewer intermediate, really good max buy. This is what Bitcoin was hoping to do in the first place. A dual coin is going to be doing this. It's going to be doing what Bitcoin was designed to do and never really made it. You can buy something with Bitcoin, but it'll take like 3 weeks or 3 days or whatever for the transaction to happen. So you can't buy coffee, you can't buy a slice of pizza or nothing. But this, a dual coin, is going to be meant to be that way. And also blockchain technology, that's always there. Borderless cash. You see that? Borderless? No borders. So when they swap different fiat currencies between borders, it's going to be especially true in Africa. Wow, that's going to happen. Increasing purchasing power, and Oduwa has a lot of rewards and stuff. All right, let's go down here. Mobile wallet. And there's a lot of stuff on this website, so you got to check these out. I mean, please do. Help yourself. Look at these. These are great. Okay, but I'm looking for something specific. Oh, man. Get together, buy a dual coin. Let's try this one. Okay. So we're on coin, Oduwa Pay. Where is it going to lead us? Our system is taking this. Okay, it's got me to Crex 24. This was the other site. The other one directed me to Stex, which is also a good one. Now, if you look here, okay, there's a little bit of something in this, but this shows it goes you right to Oduwa Bitcoin pairing on Crex 22. So let's go to the other one, Marketplace. All right. Now, Oduwa Marketplace is basically a store they developed. So now you can conveniently use this. This is not the only store. This is just something that's you know, this is something that's like almost like an add-on to the whole huge thing. So you can go to this store and get there's like watches, wow, and look, protective masks. There's stuff to deal with the pandemic, because even though you get the vaccine, man, you're gonna be needing these. You gotta stay clean for a while. Vaccine ain't gonna do it overnight. Has to get like to everybody. So there's like books and masks and shoes and watch and Bright Life. Okay, what are customers saying? A utility alternate coin platform that empowers the underserved. This is the marketplace. There's general merchandise, protective mask stuff. Okay, so it has this and it has like these partner plugins, and then there's great blogs. And you gotta like, check out some of this stuff. All right, so not to make this too long, but where is it? Oh, one of these had. Well, anyways, where was it here? Buy a dual coin. Okay, I'm just gonna choose a type of payment. Oh no. Well, one of them directed me towards what do you call it? Stex. One of them did direct me towards Stex. This one directed me to Crex 24, and I was gonna show you how to do the Crex thing, but I can't find it. But these are the actual exchanges. This is where you will actually buy and sell, and that's the trading stuff. And you can click this over and pair it up with Ether. Where's be Bitcoin to Ether and the amounts. If you get into that, you'll see. So, do a marketplace. Don't forget, the videos at the bottom are going to be very helpful. And if we have a little grasp of what's going on, you see this price right here, this $27,000 thing. That's what, 10,000 times more than a dual coin. 10,000 times more than a dual coin. The dual coin's already mimicking this on the 30-cent level. But I'll tell you, this is the thing. The next thing that's going to be happening is these partnerships. These partnerships that are happening, and It's going to be connected to banks. It's going to be in Africa, and then in all these places in the world. And when it gets to the merchant, the merchants are going to be able to hop on board, and they'll just be like a dual marketplace out there in the brick and mortar world, and people really get transaction changing. So it's in the exchange as a crypto digital payment, a payment system, digital payment system. Actually using it as another dollar is being created in Africa. Think about that. Another dollar is being formed in Africa, and it's going to be able to be used everywhere. And it's called a dual coin. So just do a duo. Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget, press subscribe, and have a great new year. In case I don't make another one of these before then, I may. But have a great new year. Hang loose. Aloha.